Welcome back to Project GoodSpeed. I'm Jay, and on today's video we're gonna head back to the junkyard because I am gonna look for some more Honda stuff, but more importantly I need to pick up the bolts for the CRV's roof rack. So we're gonna take the Corolla and head on out.
And we're here. Unfortunately there's a freaking line in there, man. That's crazy.
All right, 10 a.m. is not the time. Pretty windy, but we got 10 CRVs today. Let's check them out. And I'm only here for those screws, so this might be pretty quick. Ooh, unless they got a table. I don't think there's anything in this one. Yeah, they took the rails. Ooh, hold on, it's got leather seats. Oh, let me check the table, bro. Let me check this fucking table. I already got the leather seats though. Ah, no table. Actually, these front seats aren't that bad. At least this one isn't. Look at that. Captain's chair. Actually, I might take this one as well, to be honest. Fun. Not so much. But I still might take it anyway. I've seen worse. We'll come back to this. Let's check out the other ones. Row 101. Nothing. Come back to 115. The reason I'm at this junkyard, other than going back to another one that might be closer, is because there's also one hatchback here. And I'm going to save that one for the end. It didn't look very promising on the picture, but you never know. Me and my bad memory, I forgot which one it is already. 115. There. I'm always curious how they bring these in and if they actually get the $250 for this. At least this junkyard is a little bit more reliable. Oh, I see it. And I don't see a roof rack. Bummer. All right. Cloth interior. Ooh. Yeah. I am not going through all that. 132. I think this one and the Newark one are my favorite ones. Newark is the one by Fremont and it's freaking huge, but this one just has a, I don't know, something about this one. I don't know if you guys can hear the electricity coming off those wires. I can hear it buzzing. Ah, damn, no roof rack. Come on. That's an interesting interior. Looks like bluish gray, kind of. Can you guys hear that? Sounds like bugs buzzing around. You know, one time I found the hide a key thing on one of these with $10 in there. Now I'm always checking. Nope. And then 139. 536. Was this another Civic? Gutted. 7, 38, 39. Right where that Teggy is. That's not it. Over there. Still no roof rack. Damn. Nope. On to the next. Oh, a quarter. Huh. Already coming up. 143. Ooh. Let's check out that Integra over there, though. Luckily, there's another Integra. Oh. Ooh. Damn. No bueno. It's like nothing here. I mean, this trunk door is pretty cool. That's one of the heaviest trunk doors I think I've ever lifted in my life. There's another Teggy over there. They're just everywhere today. There's another one right there. I don't even own a Teggy, so I don't know why I'm looking at them. Oh, shit. Man, this carpet's not that bad. Why would someone just take that? That's interesting. And this is not going well. We are striking out at every one of these. Nothing. This one does have the roof rack, but someone took it. 3 onto like down. Damn, that was already half. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Yep, 168. I gotta get a new tool bag. This hammer really makes things difficult. 168. This green one, no roof rack either. Damn. Drove all the way out here for nothing. I swear, man. I better at least find a table. At least this interior is clean. No table. All those other seats are still an option, so there's nothing here. Moving on to what I can already see is gonna be another failure with that one. No roof rack. Great. Oh, or was this the CRV? Yes, this is 169. Oh, this one's gutted. Still no roof rack. Yep, this one's gutted. Oh, dude. No fucking way. That's what this is for here. This is perfect. Oh, man. You would not believe how much this costs on eBay, this little piece. And I found it. Oh, this is definitely worth it. Just this piece was definitely worth the drive. Oh, man, it's got a moonroof, but it's got so much rust and stuff on that. That's disgusting. Look at that. I mean, it could be worse. I could have, There's another one? Oh, this is the exact same one I was looking at, yeah. It took the doors. It took freaking everything, bro. Every one of these doors. Look, these are the CRV seats. Ah. Huh. This looks like this one did not have a roof rack, so no bolts. Like the engine. Slim pickings at this junkyard. Another one. See, this is why we come to these junkyards, man. You never know what you're gonna find. I had no idea this would be on here. I thought this was like a rare piece that people rarely had, let alone to leave it behind when you junk your CRV. I mean, you take the table, but you don't take this. Very important Honda piece. Oh well. Yep. No roof rack. Okay, I've lost track of which one. So I did this one. Green one there. There's a gray one on this next row, which is right over there, the one I checked out. There's a white one on the next row and a silver one, which are these two right here. White, silver. All that's left is the last one on the list. Row 193. Damn, man. Bummer. It's like it's the end of the line. Still no roof rack. Oh, great. Just great. What is this? Nissan Quest. Not interested. Now, this does not deter me because I did find them on eBay, but they're like $25 for the set. And I just don't want to wait, to be honest. That's the only thing. Nope. No table. No table here either. Part of the problem, right, is I can't just buy another bolt. I mean, I probably could. make it fit. But the thing is, there's like a little neck on these bolts that probably keep them in place. And I have tried to find a replacement like these Honda Odysseys. But unfortunately, it's a different design. These don't have the bolts to screw on. At least, not that I saw. And then when I took this out, let me break this. Yeah, it just pops off. Different design, see? So this one only has the bolts that screw it down, but not the ones that screw this piece onto those, right? So can't even use these Odysseys. It has to be a CRV, unless you guys know a different model that might have them, but look, they're all covered up. Oh well, I guess I could just buy them on eBay. No big deal. Just thought I could save myself like 20 bucks. Now check out the hatchback. 185. Ah, there it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. Look at it. Look at the clamshell. Yeah, no rear quarter panels. Drilled in dash though. Let's take a look. Oh no, don't do me like that. Well, we got the D16. Oh, this is a VTEC motor. This is a weird looking intake. What year is this? Must be like a 92 or something. Quarter panels. I mean the door panels. Damn, look at the state of these hatchbacks, bro. Seriously, man. This is disheartening. Oh, this is a blue dash. That's interesting. I've never seen a blue one before. It's torn there. Look at that. Boom. Oh, it's broken there. Right there. Look, broken all the way across. And broken here. Oh, look at the headliner, bro. Damn, son. I thought this is not even bolted on there. Oh, they're pretty strong. You know, might be worth me taking this actually. Like, I don't think I'll need it. But what if, you know? Ever finding another hatchback that has one of these? I mean, they're already rare enough as it is. And it's not like I'm collecting these for no reason, you know? I might need it. Ah, man, I got a problem. Dude, no way. Look at that exhaust. Look at that muffler. It's like the size of a book. Drum brakes. Tiny shocks. Messed up paint. Missing trim. Yep, this is a Honda, all right. Another thing that I wanted were those A-pillar trim pieces there, because mine has a hole in it right there where like a wink mirror probably went, but this one has a bunch more notches, which is not cool. I'd rather look at that one hole up top than all of these little ones here every day. All right, let's go back to that first CRV. Maybe somebody dropped those roof rack bolts, and maybe I could pick them up, but I doubt it. Might have to call this one. All right, got the seats out. I'm gonna go ask if it's cheaper to just take the seats without the rails before I take all this stuff off, because I don't need the rails, I just need the seats. And also, I'm gonna take the driver's side seat belt, because mine is, it won't retract anymore. So let's go ahead and pay for these, and we'll come back for those seats if they're cheaper. All right, look. Bear with me now. I know I don't need them, but when am I ever gonna find these again? Gotta love hatchbacks. Whew. Let's go home. All right, here it is. Boom. We got the leather seats now, and I took a seatbelt because mine isn't retracting all the while, so it's good to go ahead and replace that as well. So now that I've got these leather seats, I've got the the roof rails, and this cool little, kickstand. We're on our way to actually modify the CRV as well, but that's gonna take some time. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. I am still concerned on that little Civic back there. And I've just been going to the junkyards, and I can't help it if I find cool stuff. So, you know, they're actually in pretty good condition, really. Obviously, the passenger one is in much better condition. The driver one has a tear right in the middle, and it is barely hanging on by dear life. I might have to just make do that I won't be able to find one that's in good condition. But, you know, it could be worse. I could have one fabric and one leather, which would, I mean, it would bother the crap out of me, really. So that's why I couldn't just let it go. But it might take some time before I can install these. I'm still focused on that little Civic back there. And the CRV here is just gonna have to take a back seat, because your boy needs to get this one running. Like now. I need this thing running now. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Till next time, take care and good speed. Look at this CRV. Ooh, it's gonna look clean. All right, we out.